Yeah? Come on, let's roll. Let's roll. Alright, we're going to show your sister. Hi, Kaylin. Kaylin's having some lemonade. Oh, she's going to roll. How about you get on the floor with Aaron?
Get on the same peg as her?
Yeah. Oh, there goes Kaylin. Oh. Every time I get the video camera out, she doesn't roll anymore.
Roll up the step.
Kaylin ran out of room to roll.
I can.
Whoa, she's rolling up the step. Oh, watch me, watch me, watch me. I'm rolling. There she goes. There she goes again. One more time. All right, Aaron. It's a beautiful fall day.
Is it the end of
There she
fall?
goes. No, it's just the beginning of fall.
Wow. She wants your head to toe. She's going to roll up the steps.
She rolled all the way from there, all the way over. And there now she's going to roll over here. There she goes. Hi.
Huh. She was here a minute ago and then she went
Yeah.
back.
Yeah, and she turned around and now she's rolling this way.
And then she was right here now.
Yeah.
This will be good.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Oh, she's got your shirt. All right.